Well, now we've got seagulls coming in the garden. There they go. Come and get it. Come and get your grub. Look at them. Here it is. Swooping on in there. They just glide so effortlessly. That's all. I reckon they just do it for fun. Where they just soar about and cruise. They get so high, so effortless. The design of them. Come on, come in there. Come get your grub. Big old things. They'll eat anything. See if I hide a bit. Where an hive is, that's the thing. Got such keen eyesight. See, no, they've all done the off. Not like the tame blackbirds. See how bunnies are doing. Eating their spinach, organic spinach no less. How you doing, bunnies? Need another drink? No, doing good. Alright, that'll do. See you in the next one.